Welcome to Wolfnest, your trusted property management in Salt Lake City, Utah. As we step into August, the real estate market continues to capture our attention with robust job growth, cooling inflation, and notable shifts in interest rates. Today, we'll explore the latest updates in the Utah real estate market, recent trends in rental rates, and the evolving legislative landscape affecting rental property operators. In July, non-farm payrolls grew by 187,000 jobs, just below expectations but showing improvement from June. The unemployment rate held steady at a remarkable 3.5%, its lowest since 1969. Despite the slightly slower job gains, the labor market remains resilient, with average hourly earnings up by 0.4% for the month, indicating strong economic momentum. However, weekly jobless claims surged to 248,000 in early August, hinting at a potential labor market slowdown. In Utah, initial claims rose to 1,788. These figures suggest we might be seeing early signs of cooling in the job market, which we'll monitor closely. Inflation in the U.S. fell to its lowest annual rate in over 2 years in June. The Consumer Price Index, CPI, increased by 3% from a year ago, the lowest level since March 2021. The core CPI rose 4.8% annually. The Federal Reserve sees progress in curbing inflation but remains focused on core inflation, which is above the 2% target. Wall Street reacted positively to this report, speculating a potential rate hike by the Fed. The regulatory environment for single-family rental investments is tightening. The proposed Stop Predatory Investing Act aims to limit tax deductions for large investors, potentially impacting even smaller property owners. Additionally, federal housing agencies are emphasizing tenant rights, requiring landlords to provide detailed notices about decisions based on consumer reports. This shift aims to ensure fairness in tenant screening processes while balancing the needs of landlords and tenants. The Utah real estate market continues to show resilience. The median sold price for single-family homes remained steady at $590,000 in July, with a slight year-over-year decline of 1.67%. However, demand softened, with sold counts dropping by nearly 10% from the previous month. High interest rates have led to a significant increase in listings, up by over 37% month-over-month, though year-over-year changes are minimal. The Utah real estate market continues to show resilience. The median sold price for single-family homes remained steady at $590,000 in July, with a slight year-over-year decline of 1.67%. However, demand softened, with sold counts dropping by nearly 10% from the previous month. High interest rates have led to a significant increase in listings, up by over 37% month-over-month, though year-over-year changes are minimal. HUD has allocated $30 million for fair housing enforcement, emphasizing the importance of combating housing discrimination. Meanwhile, the multifamily market remains steady with a 95% occupancy rate, although rent growth has slowed to its lowest level since 2011, excluding the pandemic year. As we navigate these dynamic times in the real estate market, Wolfnest is here to provide expert guidance and management services to help you thrive. Thank you for joining us today, and stay tuned for more updates and insights from your trusted property management team in Salt Lake City, Utah.